Vanuatu is famous for its food. It is so fresh, so organic. So treat yourself to a trip to the local markets. They run 24/6. I promise you, once you start seeing the food, you will feel compelled to cook. So that's why I've signed up for a cooking class. We are in the main drag of Port Villa, the capital of Vanuatu. This is the hub of activity on the island, with beachfront cafes, hotels, tours, and of course, local markets.
It's heaven on a stick, you know, so if you love cooking and if you're a serious foodie, you know, look at that, how could you not like it, you know? So you just make it, this would almost turn you vegetarian, you know, so.
Marcus comes here almost daily and invites guests that sign up for his cooking class to come along too. You got to do it, it's such a highlight. And when you come here, do you have the recipes in mind or you just see what's here?
Oh, look, combinations of, you know, because everything's seasonal and everything's fresh. Everything is here is naturally organic, you know. So some days, yeah, I'll have things that I actually, you know, been inspired to make, so I'll come here looking for stuff. But other days you stumble across things and you go, oh man, I could really do something with that.
OK, it is really easy to get sidetracked here with all the gorgeous locals and glorious produce. But today, we must remain focused. We have a clear goal in mind. So that's what you've been searching for?
This is what I've been looking for, which is manioc. And we need that because today we're going to make tuluk, which is a traditional dish. But I need to have the white cassava with manioc. Oh, it's nice and fat and plump and juicy, you know. Thank you, Auntie. Lovely.
Marcus runs his cooking classes from the home that he shares with his beautiful wife, Stoney. Their home is called Papaya Villa, planted on a huge private parcel of beachfront land just a 30-minute drive from Port Villa. They also run an adjoining B&B with a maximum of 2 guests at a time in the private hibiscus room, fitted with its very own bathroom. I just cannot believe that you get to call this place home.
I know.
I'm openly jealous.
I know, this is my front yard.
But it's back in the kitchen where Marcus truly shines.
Well, one of the dishes we're going to make this afternoon is tuluk, which is a classic and traditional Ni Vanuatu dish. We're going to use this manioc, which we got from the markets this morning.
That's the heavy-duty cassava that we carried all the way here.
That's the one.
And Stoney, do you cook as well?
Well, I look after the breakfast for the guests.
OK. You are the dynamic duo, you guys.
So we're just going to get a little bit of our cassava through here. It'll go down here like that.
But it's not only local cuisine with a Portuguese background.
Like that.
Ah, bingo, beautiful.
Marcus has a few of his own favourites.
So the next dish we're going to make is going to be a paella, or paella, or whatever you like to call it. In the islands, rice is king. They have rice with everything. So it's really fitting that, you know, we want something really nice, spicy.
The classes are super relaxed. They generally run for a couple of hours, but Marcus says guests often settle in for the afternoon.
Do you think it might be sangria time?
I do!
And who wants sangria?
OK, well, while Stoney's preparing and getting us ready with the sangria, we'll just get this last little bit done with the saffron. So
I'm told saffron is the key ingredient for any paella. That and a side serve of sangria, of course. Papaya Loco!
Loco food.
Here we go. Look, it's the tuluk. OK, here we are.
And paella.
And the paella.
The lobsters.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, fabulous. This is a cooking class that delivers it all. You've got your yummy food, a wonderful setting, and most importantly, great company.
Cheers, everybody. Oh, thanks for a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Tomas.
Thank you, Tomas.